There's nothing here. Must have been on the bike for a long time. Wow. I think they've become besties. Inseparable. Looks like I'm putting the pressure that way, but I'm not. I'm inserting it and putting the pressure that way. My job is not to stab it. My job is to help free it off. So I have to insert it, and then as you can see, I'm kind of going around. If I just stab downwards, I'm only going to end up puncturing it. Oh. Forever friends, aren't they? Don't you think? I think I need a new set of picks. I think this one's giving up. Yeah, it is. Oh, I need a new set of mini picks. New tool day is always good. It's just kind of spending money, isn't it, in this climate? I don't really want to be twisting this too much. I actually want to free it off. Come on, squeaky, squeaky. Did that help? Not as much as I wanted it to. Oh, here we go, got some movement. Get a fresh plastic we were exposing. Fresh to death. And then this one at the back doesn't have any kind of clamp on it whatsoever. I mean, it goes up to... See, it's got a clamp there. Sorry. See, it's got a clamp there, which goes to the vacuum actuated, like, on-off switch, yeah? But the pipe that goes... There it is. The pipe that goes into the filter itself is held on with nothing. Doesn't look like it's ever been clamped. Isn't that nice? Wonder what the thinking was behind that. It's only petrol. Let's not worry about it. Right. So again, I'm inserting the tool and I'm just working my way around. So I'm actually pulling down right now. Not pushing in and trying to stab. I still haven't freed it off. Oy, oy, oy. Could be an entire episode on fighting fuel line. Jeez. I really need to free you guys up. This marriage has to end here. You're not good for each other, that's the problem. Oh, that's some effort I'm putting in. Oi. Crikey, O'Reilly. Oh, smell that. Yum. Ooh. Do you know what we got to do? We've got to cut this open, haven't we? First, new filter. Look at it. All sat there. Come with me. I thee wed. Alright, okay, fine. Beautiful. This came from P&H Motorcycles in Crawley. Because, you know, I like to keep my money local. Right. Is that right? Did I just mess up? Did I? Of course I messed up. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing half the time. I just attached it to the wrong bit, didn't I? I'm like, what are you doing? Because the filter's going to be down. So get your act together, Alex. There you go. I'm just figuring out what orientation everything's going to go in. There we go. Loosen this 8 to 12 off. Slide it over the nipple. Rotate it just slightly so we can get to it. So whoever gets to work on it next can get a nice perch on it. Let's clamp it up. Unlike the previous person that worked on it, because they just didn't care about you. But we do, don't we? There you go, look at that. It wasn't hard, was it? Jeez. Now, I did order some... Sounds so good. I did order some new brake pipe. I did order some new fuel pipe. Let me go get it. Blimey, Alex, when you do something, you do it, but don't do it by halves, do you? I've got some really good reinforced, but I can just test it on the older filter. It might feel really, really good on the filter, and that's fine. But it don't feel good when connected to that, which is the pneumatic pump. And if I just feed it down over the nipple, there you go, feeding it over the nipple. See that? Look at that action. Don't fit. So that was a waste of money, but then you know. Filter's going to go in that way and then feed to the tank. Okay. Let's squidge this on nice. Nice. Let's get that cover off. So we're over the nipple. And I'll tighten this up once it's clamped in, just so I can get, just so I'm not, God, if I was any more dangerous at filming. So the reason I'm not tightening this up at the moment is because I want to clamp the filter into place, then I can position the fuel pipe to insert into the tank, then I'll do them up rather than twisting them. So, but this one is done up and I've checked its orientation is good. Okay, we need you back. I've got a job for you. Right, again, check orientation before I nip everything up, just to make sure that this fuel pipe here isn't going to start, there we go, I can just rotate the filter, isn't going to start rubbing on the underside of the tank. It's looking pretty good actually. Now I'm just going to tighten this one up and then I can reattach this one to the tank. I've dropped its little wedding ring down there. Don't think it wants me. Alright, looks good to me. I'm about to remove this pipe that's been on the fuel tank. So put a little bucket underneath the bike just to capture anything, because for all I know, a bit of petrol's ended up in there over the day or so that's been connected. So let's pop that off. See if we get any... Oh, we didn't. Lucky. In the wrong hand, I'm carrying its little I love you ring. There we go. And we'll pop them over, reunite them. Right, get to tidy up my mess, and all of that looks proper nice. I'm happy with the results. Happy, happy, happy. Look at that. Looking good. Looking new. Nothing getting down there. And on carbs are holding their liquor. That's a shadow. I like. Desperate to fit them now. Fitting them is a right ball ache too. I mean, oh, I can't tell you. Like this bit, fine, I'm okay with this now. It's a complete nightmare, but I'm absolutely fine with it. It's getting the throttle cables up there and then linking them in here, and then you're not able to adjust them, so you have to slacken everything off at the front or take the front bit apart, oh god, the throttle, and then put them in here and adjust them just so nip everything up, and then make sure they're threaded through to the front, then do the front arm. Oh my God. I'm excited anyway, that's good. Did I not make a cup of tea? Yeah. There's no tea in sight.